Welcome to Wayne's World Garage. This is part 2 of the new spray rig Wayno bought. And how does it work? Before I get started though, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and all that great stuff. Thank you guys for watching all my shows throughout the year. I've kind of backed off a little bit, as you probably noticed, because I just can't compete with the AI stuff. And I'm not one of YouTube's chosen ones yet. But if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe, maybe I will be. But anyway, I got this spray rig from local country club. It has a nice 5.5 horsepower motor. No, the price I paid for the rig alone is more than what one of those Honda motors would cost. So it was a bargain. But in the meantime, I did have to look at the pump, and the pump had some issues, as you probably saw from a previous video. Connecting rods were both broken, the pistons were all jammed in there, and they didn't clean it out, but that's okay. The engine ran well once I got the varnish out of it and put some non-corn gas in there. So the Honda motor runs well. The pump, got a different pump on here, and it seems to work well. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how this thing works. It's a Honda motor, so you turn it on and you give it a pull, and it starts. How about that? Now we can look at this. Pressure here is up to 100 psi. Turn it on. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but check this out. So this is pretty slick. But the slicker part is you can turn the center boom off, the left boom off, or the right boom off. Coming out the center like it's supposed to. Then I can go left and the center. That works. Center and right. How cool is that? Only the right side. Left and right. I don't know why I want to do that. And only the left side. I don't know what they paid for this thing new, but I bet you it cost more than $30 new. Actually, I paid more than that when I got it from the guy, but they were going to just trash it really and send it to the recycle bin. So it seems to work okay. So that's the story of the spray rig. What I was doing here, this is a turn it on-y and off-y, and you flip it here. Here's a center, left center. It's pretty slick. Not quite sure you want to do all that, but I'm not exactly a landscaper. I was going to use it on my pumpkin plants at the garden, but it looks like it's working pretty well. So that's the story. Time to put some antifreeze in it now and winterize this thing. Day 2 of testing out the sprayer. We're about done. I put 6 gallons of RV antifreeze in here. We're going to start the engine one more time, spray it a little bit, get the antifreeze circulated, and we should be good for the winter when it gets cold. Cold in Maryland is like 20 degrees though. It'll still freeze and cause us damage. So let's see if the Honda motor starts. It's a Honda, it'll start. Let's see. Shocking. The cool thing is it's regurgitating it through the tank now, and I'll change this valve here. I go from A to C, and C now builds up pressure here. And this will regulate the pressure going to my lines. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 or so of these things. Left, center, and right. Turn it on, it comes out. I don't want to drain it all out because I'm going to lose all my antifreeze. And that wouldn't be very good. So I think everything's pretty well taken care of. We're going to call it quits now. But this thing's done. I'm going to cover up the engine, be done for the winter. So we've got another 3 months and we start using this thing. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.